Getting told that your daughter has cancer, your whole world falls apart. Christmas is a strange one in the house, because the first time Hannah was ill, we were admitted from the end of November to the 24th of December, so we managed to have our Christmas day at home. You hear about blood products, and I didn't know about platelets. I saw firsthand what it does, going from white to happy and bouncing around and being a cheeky self. We couldn't imagine Hannah not being here, and had it not been for someone donating platelets, there's a good chance she wouldn't be here. That's the reason I give platelets, is to make the difference to someone else's family. The Welsh Blood Service now send you text messages to alert you when your donation's been used. On Christmas Day, my phone goes off and I get a message from the Welsh Blood Service to say my platelet donation's been used, it's been sent off to the hospital, and it was just such a feel-good moment. It's just nice knowing that my platelet donation had gone to someone on Christmas Day. For the donors that donated and made a difference to our family, I'm eternally grateful. That small selfless act that you do, going to do your donation, it makes a massive difference to our lives. Thank you.